Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 science class. Students, now come to book page number 53. Our today's topic is parts of the tree. Today we will identify parts of the tree. Students, look here. This is a tree. This is a tree. And these are roots of tree. ये देखिए यहाँ पे जो ये नज़र आ रही है ये क्या है, रूट्स हैं. दिस इज़ अ फ्लावर एंड दिस इज़ अ लीव. दीज आर लीव्स एंड दीज आर flowers. Students, look here. This is a twig. This is a twig. Students, look here. This is a trunk of tree. This is a trunk of tree. Now kids, it's your turn. Identify parts of the tree. Book page number 53. Allah Hafiz.